At this India skill competition in Gandhinagar, we can see so many participants, more than 300 participants participating very, very passionately for more than 40 job roles and skills. And I'm sure that these people are going to not only perform very well here, but they are going to graduate at the national level and then in the international level. And what I have seen today, I'm really very happy and mesmerized at the kind of talent and the skills that we have in our country, and how we are slowly developing our skill ecosystem in the country, so that in a coming days and years, we'll be a superpower in exporting skills and skill manpower, not only to our neighboring countries but also to the entire world. And I hope that this skill competition is going to benefit all of them, all the participants very proactively, and I wish all the best to all the participants. Thank you.